In the yesterday's lecture, we had gone through the procedure of putting the object onto the drawing board, and we had considered one more object from the visualization and sketching point of view. And we ended up saying that now what mainly remains after considering the inclined planes are the circular portions, circular surfaces which will be appearing, which could be the holes or curved surfaces through the cylinders, or in very rare cases the spherical shapes. So today's job, look at the object that is given to us. We are now talking of some cylindrical portion. First of all, try to visualize. Do not look at the dimensions, though those dimensions are given over here. These dimensions are not that important. Just imagine that it is a cylinder. At least you should be in a position to see that cylinder, but it is not a continuous cylinder. So for the visualization, I can say that we could imagine this. I am trying to just reproduce this particular object by saying that it has got a cylindrical portion like this. Something like this should be easy for imagination, I suppose. Can you imagine that this portion is just like a cylinder? Of course, some portion of it is removed. Now what is that portion? But before I could draw this cylinder, I will have to check whether I have got all the dimensions, that is the length as well as the diameter of that particular cylinder. And then answer will come out to be yes. So far as the diameter is concerned, it is given to us directly. This is phi. Phi means diameter. Phi 50. That means this particular cylinder, this particular circle is going to have a diameter of 50. And then we are required to find the length. Length, it will be this much length plus 10 and plus 10 on the other side. We require this particular length, and if I go on observing, I find that over here this particular distance 110. This distance 110 is from the left face to the right face. That means the length of the cylinder is 110 and the diameter of the cylinder is 50. Fine. So I have got all the dimensions so far as the cylinder is required. This particular cylinder, if I start drawing it in the front view, this will be as usual our front view direction. So in the front view, it will be appearing as a rectangle. The rectangle of dimensions 110 by 50. This cylinder will be appearing as a rectangle. There should be no confusion in this part also. Then what is said over here? This distance 38, because some portion of this is chopped off. It is just like, if you can recall, if it would have been some rectangular block like this, I am chopping off a portion like this. This is where we had started last time. When I want to remove the portion over here, this will get exposed like a step. A similar step you can see over here, and that means in the front view I will have to measure a distance of 38 and a depth of 10 and chop off this portion. Similarly on the other side. And to mark that, I can very well say that this was 38 given to me. So far as the cylinder is concerned, it can be shown like this. What about the side view of that cylinder? The side view of that cylinder, when you look from left, will be a circle and a horizontal line drawn in it at a distance 38. So side view, if at all you want to draw it, is going to be a circle of diameter 50.